This is a portable gaming laptop from HP's refreshed Omen series, and it weighs around 3.3 kgs, has a 17.3-inch screen and is made up of carbon fiber. And I just realized that I actually don't have a desktop, I use my bed to work and this laptop is not that light, so I'll put it on my drawing room table. Moving on, the HP's build quality and the scheme of colors, look and feel is pretty nice. I just wish the logo was glowing and that the lid was a little sturdy. Otherwise, I love the backlit keyboard, especially the red light. Looks funky, right? But you really can't dim that light. Now, HP has given a big trackpad which works well but won't be used much for gaming because you'll be using that mouse for sure. And you can buy the HP mouse Steel series and it looks pretty good, has RGB illumination and a good grip, and the buttons are very tactile. The mouse costs you around 5,499 rupees. You can also get this non-slippery mouse pad for 2,199 rupees, and it would really help in gaming, man. This is big, like a carpet. The 17.3-inch display comes with full HD resolution. You get a good range of colors and the matte finish will ensure no reflections. However, the blacks could have been deeper and a 4K display would have made a hell lot of a difference. But yeah, again, it's about the price, so we're good. Now let's just quickly take you through what's powering the machine. It's powered by an Intel Core i7 processor. There is 16GB of DDR4 RAM, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 GPU with 8GB dedicated memory. You have 256GB of SSD storage for operating system and apps installation, and you get additional 1TB for extra storage. And the HP Omen 17-incher costs you around 1,69,990 rupees. For connectivity, you get 3 USB 3.0 ports, HDMI out, Ethernet and a card reader. And now let's talk about the performance. So we played a variety of games from the lighter ones like Modern Combat and Counter-Strike to Spin Tires, where you maneuver those massive trucks in difficult terrains. I guess I always wanted to be a trucker but born in the wrong country. Anyway, the gaming performance has been amazing. We faced no issues whatsoever. We got good frame rates over here. Of course, after a prolonged usage, the fan starts to make that noise, but that is expected. The audio quality is also very impressive with the Bang & Olufsen tuning, and we use the HP Omen Steel series headphones over here, which are priced for 7,499 rupees, and they do deliver a good audio experience, and there is a mic as well. Talking about the battery, we got around 3 hours plus, which is pretty good for a gaming laptop this size. And the HP Omen, like I said, is priced at 1,69,990 rupees. And for this price, I think it's a pretty good deal.